Paul's Trucking. Welcome back. Another episode. Standing next to this beautiful Granite. I got a quick little video I'm going to do for you now. I got to change all these headlights. Got kind of a loosey situation going on, and they're all busted. Let me show you. You take a look. This headlight. Whole thing's loose. No bueno. Big crack right here. That must have been a pretty hard stone to hit that hard. We already changed this surround this summer, so that's nice and new. But and then look at this one. It's also wham! Big crack in it right there. So missing a couple screws. That screw's missing. I think there's a screw missing on that one too. So anyways, we got the solution. Check it out. We bought brand new ones. I don't know which is right and which is left. But let me see. Yep, that's the right one. They're real nice. New lenses, new bulbs. All we got to do is put them in, wire them up, install them. So I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod, and I already got the tools out, and I'm going to get her done. Okay, here we go. Let's get this old one out. And take a look at what we got to do. I know it's kind of hard to see. Let's check this out. There's four, what do they call it? Nuts on the bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm assuming they're not going to come out nice. We'll see what happens. They'll probably come the inside out, and we'll have to hold them with vice grips and all that good stuff. But let's take it out. Work through the problem. Just like I thought. The nuts are not coming. Oh. Got that back down. Take a look at this. Of course, the hood release. Alright, look at this wiring. They give me all new pigtails, but we're going to use this. Ain't no way we're going to cut into the factory harness that looks this good. Okay. Oh yeah. There's nothing wrong with any of that. Here, check it out. You guys want to see? Here we are. Look when the truck was painted. Had overspray all over on it. But don't matter. I just unplugged the headlight right here. Right there. Unplug these other two. We're going to swap it out. But we still got to get these out. I'll hold these with vice grips and turn the nut. They're not meant to come apart that way, but that's how they make them. So you can get them apart. Alright, hang tight, we'll keep going. saw that. I had to cut every one of these off. Oh, make sure you're looking the right way. Check that out. Every one of these, I kind of boogered a couple of them up, but they're okay. Had to cut every one of them off. We're going to reuse the wires, the pigtails, put new bulbs in here. And, yeah, no, it looks fine. And get the new ones in. Unfortunately, that means we're going to have to cut the other ones out just the same. The hardware is no good. But that also means I got to get new nuts for the back of the new ones. They didn't give me new nuts, and I just ruined the old ones. So, I'm going to have to run to the hardware store. So, we'll go get them, and we'll get back with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Guys, one more thing I think I'm going to do. I know I told you guys I was going to run into town and get some bolts or nuts, but I got this other chrome I can work on. A little bit of stainless from, well, I can't remember. Oh, who made them? No, I can't remember. Anyways, I'll look in a minute. It goes right in here below the headlight. And, dresses up, figure when I put the headlight in, this will look great right there. Just bolts on right there on the bottom. Get it right where I want it. Yeah, right about there. That's where we want it. I'll put some holes in. Big hole there. Where are we going through? Oh, I see. Okay. Oh yeah, perfect actually. There's a little trough behind there that it sits in. Perfect spot. All right. Let's drill this other one. Well, we got that anchor in there. Perfect. Alright, let's see if we get this thing up there. Up a little bit, I can see drill. outside. Good thing you guys can't hear that. Just pouring rain. But got a rain keep my pond full. Oh yeah, that's better. Much better. Alright, well I'm going to drill these and put these on and I'll show you guys when I get done. It's pretty much a slow process. Alright everyone, Big Paul back at you. Well, I had to go buy these little metric nuts so I could put all this back together. I had everything else. They're, what are they? 6.0 something M 1.0? I don't know. Whatever they are. Anyways, I got all the hardware. I told you guys I was going to reuse the pigtails, but I pretty much had to replace every one but this one. All the rest, man, the pigtails are just in bad shape. Take a look. So these all got shrink wrapped and replaced. And even all these had to be the same thing. They give me all new ends, I guess that's why. But they're all shrink wrapped, they're good as new. We're going to go ahead and put this thing back together and put these headlights in. Alright, let's put this together. Where we're at. It's nice they got these little snaps these things actually snap into. Keep the wires in somewhat of a safe place. Little wire hold downs. Another one right there. Alright. That's for the other one. Okay. Well, get these wires run the right way, we'll be in good shape. It's alright. That one snaps in there. That one snaps in there. Put the headlight plugged in. Put in the new turn signal. Okay. Turn signal. Marker light. Wires are a little tight. But, oh, there. Okay. Got it. Yep. And do a little test, make sure they all work. Before I go bolting that thing in. Let's see what we got going on. Headlight's working. Turn signal. No marker. Alright. Oh, there it goes. Why are you doing that? That seems better. Okay. Get that in there. Everything works as it should. All right. Ooh, that's gonna look good. All right. Flat washer, lock washer, nut. Oh, there we go. It'll work perfect. Getting there. I know it's kind of slow, guys, but that's why sometimes I don't know what to do time lapse, what to do regular time. I don't want to bore you guys, but as soon as I skip anything, somebody comments, "Ah, you skipped the best part!" Ah! So I don't want to do that. But we're trying. These DIY videos, you know, some of these jobs, you know how often you change stuff like this. So it's not like I do it every day, but it's also not hard stuff. So, boy, it's going to look great once I get this all tightened up. All right, well, it's going great. It's going to look like $1,000,000 with all this new shiny in the front. There we go. Underneath there pretty nasty. Looks like asphalt. Big surprise. I don't know if this is the size or not. I don't remember. I was using. Oh yeah, that's it. That's not it. Oh, what's that? So that's the problem. I need 3/8. Probably 10 millimeter. Yeah. There we go. Get the right tool right there. Well, I don't want to over tighten. Don't want to over tighten these, I can tell you that. As you yank these studs out. Alright, we're in good shape. Let's tip this hood over here and check it out. Hang with me. Put that other one in here in a second. Alright, let's get this side put together. We'll get this buttoned up. Peel this protective plastic and check it out. Because that's the only way I can get it on without ruining it. Oh yeah. Alright, this has got to go here. It's going to be right there. nuts and bolts. Put it on. Looks good to me. Okay, flat washer. Well, I'm already liking how this chrome below the lights looks. Oh, that's gorgeous. Made by Roadworks. They made all the stainless on this truck. I think they're a pretty good company. A lot of companies don't make stuff for these Mack trucks. I don't know why, it's their loss, but they think there's more Peterbilts on the road than Macks. Oh, it might be true over the road, but it's not true in dump truck world. There's probably 10 to 1 Macks to all other brands, even mixers. I see Macks, fleets of Macks. So you don't see too many fleets of Peterbilt mixers, do you? At least not in Ohio. Maybe you do where you live. But regardless, Macks are the ones to get. Almost got this, guys. What a pain. Better test it too. I put the last couple in, or I'll just get the privilege of taking them back out. Turn signal check. Headlight, high beam, low beam. Marker light. Is that baby working? Good deal. All the lights are working. Cool. Alright, now snug them up. Put the last washer nut on there. And we'll peel the tape. Peel the plastic protective film. And see how we manage to not screw it up. Almost got it. Ugh. Alright, there it is. Get my Trinity Dandy rechargeable ratchet. I do like this thing. It gives you a light right where you're going. Bear with me, I gotta tip this hood. Tighten these up. Oh, great view. But it'll only be for a second. Got her snugged up. Alright, you guys, here we are. Got them in. Got the chrome underneath them. I think they look pretty good. Tell me what you think, guys. Look at that chrome underneath. Alright, let's do it. Let's peel the protective layer, which will reveal we didn't damage it, which is always the goal. There it is. Check that out. Unmolested. Pretty happy with that. Nice tight. Got that below it. This truck's coming together. Pull this other plastic off. Check that out. Oh man. I like that little stainless steel underneath that. It really looks good. Alright. Next thing we're going to work on for the next video is I'm going to put this bug guard on. I got a nice stainless steel bug guard. Going to go on the front of this. And it needs it, and then we got a visor coming too. We're going to put a nice stainless steel visor up there. So we got a lot of things to do to this truck. Stick with me. You guys are going to enjoy the content. Take a look at these old ones. They're pretty crappy. Look at the guys that painted them. Look at all the overspray on them. I mean, it's unbelievable. Posts are like, they're all like rusty looking. I don't know why. But they certainly look like they've been around a while. So, I think those are done. I'll probably save the bands and a couple things on it, but look how sandblasted that is. Because these are original. That's all sandblasted from 400,000 miles. Clicking down the highway. We got new ones now though. Alright. Hey, I want to thank you guys for watching, sticking with me. Like I said, we got a lot more stuff to work on this truck. And next thing is going to be the visor and the bug guard. Thanks for watching, guys. Big Paul's out.